In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block autoplay videos in the Brave browser. If you're tired of videos starting on their own the moment a page loads, this quick walkthrough will help you take control. We'll set a global rule to stop autoplay across the web, and I'll show you where to make exceptions for specific sites you trust. Start by opening Brave's settings. Click the three-line menu, often called the hamburger icon, in the top right corner of the browser, then select Settings. If you prefer a faster route, type brave//settings/ directly into the address bar and press enter. Both options take you to the same place, so use whichever feels more convenient. Once you're in settings, head to privacy and security, then open site and shield settings. This is where Brave keeps controls for what websites are allowed to do, including permissions and protections. Brave's shields are designed to guard your privacy, and the autoplay control lives right alongside those tools. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Additional Permissions. Under that section, click on Autoplay. This is the dedicated page for managing how sites handle audio and video that would normally start without you pressing play. You'll see options that determine what happens globally for every site you visit. To stop videos from starting on their own everywhere, select Block Sites from autoplaying videos. This sets a clear, browser-wide policy that prevents unwanted playback. It not only reduces distractions, but can also save bandwidth and improve page performance, especially on media-heavy sites. Keep in mind that some sites might still start playback after you interact with the page, but the default behavior will be to hold off until you choose to play. If there are specific websites where you actually want autoplay, or sites you want to be extra strict with, you can manage exceptions right on this page. Use the Allow list to add a site that you trust and want to autoplay, like a streaming service you rely on, and use the block list to force a site to stop autoplaying even if it tries. Make sure you enter the website address correctly, and remember that entries here override your global setting. You can add or remove sites at any time, so feel free to adjust as your browsing habits change. That's all you need to do. With the global block in place and optional exceptions configured, Brave will follow your preferences the next time you browse. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused web experience.